Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Singh. I have done my BTech from Narula Institute of Technology, Kolkata. I passed out in 2020 batch. As the pandemic situation started, so I got very less job opportunities, and I also realized that I have not enough knowledge for placements. So one of my friend um, suggested me for Evision Technoserve, and I have joined Evision Technoserve in full job internship program. After the completion of job internship, I got a placements in STEFANINI technologies at a very good package. So I am really thankful to Evision for guiding me for my better career. I really thankful to Evision for providing me job opportunities, and I also suggest my friends to join Evision if they are not having enough knowledge for placements. Thank you.